All right, so now we looked at neutral spine, keeping a neutral spine, hinging at the hips. We're going to add another component that's also extremely important, and that's called abdominal bracing. Now, what that means is we're going to get you to contract this. You've got a corset of muscles right around protecting your lumbar spine when it works for you, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to do abdominal bracing, and we're going to contract these muscles whenever you bend and pick things up, whenever you're getting up, because what that does, it once again protects your spine. Okay, so how do we achieve abdominal bracing? All right, first of all, imagine this stick is your spine. Now your muscles are attached around, think of this as a tent pole if you like, and when you have the ropes all around it, this will keep this sturdy. All right, pull the ropes tight all around it, it will keep this sturdy, and that's what we're going to do to protect against things like shear forces and other things that can damage your lower back. So it's easy to do. What you're going to do, imagine that if I was to come up and poke you in the stomach or around the kidneys or anywhere like that, you're going to contract these muscles. There should be no visual movement when you do this. It is a bit like if someone goes to tickle you, you can feel how you tighten up those muscles. That's what you want. Now, you don't have to have a really large contraction. They say about 5% is plenty, so you don't have to squeeze them really tight, but enough that it will stabilize your spine. So when you go to lift things and bend over, you're going to do an abdominal bracing, okay? It is not sucking in your stomach, nor is it pushing out your stomach. You're just getting a feeling of all of these muscles behind, the sides, around, to protect that area, and you can feel it all tightens up. So if someone was to if you like, poke you like that, it's nice and tight. That's what you want to do when you bend, you lift things off the floor, off the ground, lifting up that chair. You not only keep neutral spine, hinge at the hips, but you will also brace those. And again, you have to be conscious of it to start with, but after a while, it will just be a natural habit that you're forming. Okay, so no visual movement. It's a bit like if I was to say to you that I'm going to bend your elbow. You don't know if I'm going to straighten it or bend it and flex it, okay? So what you'll do is you'll tighten up both these, because I don't want you to move it, but I'm not going to tell you which way I'm going to do it. So what you do, you tighten up both sides, right, to make it rigid. So there can be no movement either way, right? That's exactly what you're doing here. You're keeping this rigid, keeps your spine protected, and that's what you're going to do along with your hip hinging and your neutral spine, okay? Neutral spine, hinge at the hips, abdominal bracing, all in the one movement.